The sky blushes gold as the sun rises, and from the shimmer of morning light emerges a marvel of modern travel. The 2026 Toyota double-decker motorhome camper bus. Towering yet graceful. It doesn't just move, it glides like a dream sculpted in steel and light. For those who crave luxury, adventure, and freedom in one breathtaking machine, this is Toyota's finest creation yet. Welcome back to Car Flair, where power meets imagination and every vehicle tells a story worth remembering. Today, we bring you the 2026 Toyota double-decker motorhome bus, not just a home on wheels, but a two-story masterpiece designed to redefine what road luxury truly means. From the outside, it's impossible not to stare. The design is bold, futuristic, and beautifully balanced. The Aero twin body frame uses a dual-level architecture that gives the bus a regal presence on the road. At the front, Toyota's signature chrome wing grille gleams proudly beneath the radiant emblem, flanked by blade-thin digital matrix LED headlamps that stretch like sharp strokes of light. The body, crafted from lightweight alloy composite, features deep-side contours for improved airflow, while the towering panoramic windows wrap around both decks, offering passengers a cinematic view of the world beyond. The roofline flows elegantly, topped with solar panels that feed energy into the auxiliary systems. Sustainable luxury in motion. Compared to its 2024 single-deck model, this new design is larger, stronger, and nearly 30% more efficient aerodynamically. Now, the engine, the heartbeat of this grand machine. Beneath its sculpted frame lies a 5.0-liter twin-turbo hybrid V8, delivering an extraordinary 750 horsepower and 1,000 Nm of torque. Paired with Toyota's eDrive Plus dual-motor system and a 10-speed automatic smart shift gearbox, this powerhouse delivers a ride so smooth it feels surreal. It's faster, quieter, and 20% more fuel-efficient than the 2024 model. The Active Glide Suspension 3.0 system continuously adjusts to road conditions, giving passengers the feeling of floating over every surface. And thanks to Toyota's new Silent Flow insulation, the interior remains peaceful, even when the outside world roars. Step inside the lower deck, where luxury and comfort begin to unfold. The lounge and lunch area greets you with handcrafted leather recliners, a marble-finished dining table, and a panoramic glass wall that floods the space with natural light. Subtle LED ribbons trace the ceiling, changing tone to match the time of day. Every corner feels designed for serenity, from the walnut trim to the gentle hum of the climate system. Moving further in, the kitchen feels like a chef's dream on the road. Dual induction burners, a silent refrigerator, a microwave oven hybrid, and a retractable coffee bar, all elegantly integrated into minimalistic cabinetry. Every surface is touch-responsive, every drawer soft closing, every inch a celebration of precision. Upstairs, the bathroom blends elegance with innovation. A rainfall shower with glass walls, an automated water recycler, and temperature memory make it as efficient as it is beautiful. The mirror glows softly with touch sensors, while the air purification system keeps the atmosphere fresh, no matter the terrain. The bedroom, on the upper level, feels like a floating suite in the clouds. A king-size adaptive mattress lies beneath a full glass ceiling that transitions from clear to starlit mode with a single swipe. Hidden storage, ambient lights, and a soft whisper of air conditioning make the space feel alive, yet calm. Beside the bed, a retractable 4K screen folds down for late-night movies, turning the room into your personal cinema. Finally, the driver's cabin, the heart of command. A curved OLED console wraps around the driver like a cockpit, displaying navigation, diagnostics, and panoramic camera feeds. AI-assisted steering, adaptive lane control, and real-time terrain mapping make driving effortless. The electric steering feels feather-light, yet the grip of the wheels is powerful and sure. Compared to the previous model, this 2026 double-decker redefines motion. A higher roofline, dual-level layout, improved aerodynamics, and a hybrid engine that whispers efficiency. Every detail has evolved. As night falls, the bus glows softly under its LED edges like a modern palace on the move. Two decks of luxury, one heart of power, The Toyota double-decker motorhome camper bus isn't just transport. It's transformation. If this journey moved your imagination, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Only on Car Flair, where dreams don't just ride, they arrive.